Understanding what qualifies as an emergency repair and what does not might help when reporting issues with your home. By knowing this difference, you can help us prioritize and address repairs efficiently, ensuring your well-being and the safety of your home. An emergency repair is a situation that requires immediate attention to prevent harm to you or the property. These are urgent matters that, if left unaddressed, could lead to safety hazards or significant damage. For example, blocked toilets in single toilet houses should be reported as an emergency, as well as blocked or leaking drains, serious storm or accident damage, and serious electrical faults. On the other hand, if your property has a functioning bath and your shower is faulty, it generally wouldn't be considered an emergency. You can use the bath while waiting for repairs. However, if you have no functioning bathroom facilities, that would be an emergency. Containable leaks are another common scenario. If you can contain the leak using a bucket, it's not an emergency. However, if the leak is unmanageable, causing flooding or structural damage, that's when you should report as an emergency repair. Condensation issues, while important to address, are generally not considered emergencies. We treat these cases as urgent and will arrange for an inspector to visit your home and provide support and guidance. Repairs that have been previously reported during an inspection and are awaiting scheduled work are not emergencies. Our repairs team prioritizes emergency issues first, so if your concern has been acknowledged, rest assured that it's in the queue for resolution. If you are ever unsure if your issue is an emergency or not, you can check our website or just give us a call. You can report a repair to us by accessing MyPKC or by calling 01738 476 000.